Do you know that this holiday, your child can do more than just play games and run around the house? They can build their own robots, learn how to code, and so much more. And the interesting thing is, they won't even miss their games and screen time because they will have so much fun doing this. How do I hear? You don't believe me? Okay. Stay with me while I unbox something really exciting. This right here is the Makeblock Ultimate Robots Kit that'll be used for our robotics class in the ongoing Kids Coding Bootcamp here in Digital Dreams. So, before we unbox, the Kids Coding Bootcamp started in July and the next section is coming up in August. So please, make sure you register to be the first one to make use of these beauties. Let's get there. Okay, let's see what's in the box. These are the equipment for the body of the robot. These are the beams. It is used to build the outer parts of the robot, and it comes in different sizes. These are the longer ones. This is the encoder. The encoder motors. It is responsible for the movements of the robot. And right here, we have the claw, the robot's claws. We also have the plastic wheels. You get to know how all these are used during the robotic class, where you'll be taught how to couple all this and use it to build a functional robot. So now we are done with the outer parts. Okay, this part here is the important one because this is what makes the robots work. These are the screws. This is the mega pi. This mega pi is also known as the brain of the robot. These are the cables and other things. So there are so many other things here in this carton which you get to learn about, know the various function during the robotics class. Do well to register and be the first to make use of this equipment. Be expecting to see your child. So don't allow the holidays fly by. Give your child a head start in tech. Enroll them for the Kids Coding Bootcamp and watch them create something amazing.